And look at what we have here. Dispatch Rider's motorbike. Is this an old Enfield? I don't know. It's a BSA. That's something. There we are. There's all the information about it. Purchased by the Irish Army in 1939 from England, it was used during the period known as the Emergency, World War II. It's a single-cylinder 500cc side-valve 4-stroke petrol engine. Typical use for this motorbike was during the dispatches. Not too many of these knocking about. Could do a bit of TLC, mind you. I'd love to know the story of this bike. Can take a pillion passenger there too. Brilliant.